mercury monitoring is one of the essential parameters to be monitored in occupational safety, hygiene, and health. EMP-3 is Nippon Instruments Corporation third-generation portable mercury analyzer, designed for personal, wearable, real-time mercury gas detection and environmental measurements across all industries. With a detection range from 0.1 micrograms per cubic meter to 2,000 micrograms per cubic meter, or 0.001 milligrams per cubic meter to 2 milligrams per cubic meter. EMP-3 ensures accurate, stable readings across varying concentrations. Used by safety officers and occupational hygienists, as well as site engineers for mercury exposure assessments in the field. EMP-3 is a battery-powered cold vapor atomic absorption spectrometry mercury survey meter, giving accuracy with portability to our users. It operates on the technique of direct sampling and CVAS measurement. The measurement begins with a 10 seconds of zero check process. What is zero check? Zero check is a process where the sample gas passes through a zero filter to remove mercury, creating mercury-free zero gas. This feature ensures that the sample matrix doesn't interfere and affect mercury measurement. Once zero check is completed, the EMP-3 starts to measure mercury. Mercury from ambient air will be sampled into EMP-3 and measured by the CVAS built within. Measurement results are displayed directly on the LCD screen in real time. By attaching a sampling probe to the placeholder on the shoulder strap, the user can utilize the EMP-3 to perform personal exposure measurement within the breathing zone of the employee in real time, which allows for the immediate determination of the level of health risk from mercury exposure. In addition, user can attach the extended probe to allow them to take spot measurement at specific locations. Featuring a glove-sensitive touch-screen LCD, EMP-3 is friendly for workers that have to work with glove or PPE. EMP-3 comes with strap for user to wear and bring it on site. Before measurement starts, we can turn on GPS to enable location marking with GPS coordinates, easier for recording of sample location. We can also set the threshold value to enable the alarm to buzz when the site measurement value hits the threshold. Alarm will go off to alert the workers for evacuation. Utilizing the concept of dynamic flow dilution, the high-luter option extends the EMP-3 measuring range up to 20,000 micrograms per cubic meter, or up to 20 milligrams per cubic meter, allowing mercury measurements in areas that have unusually high mercury levels. Another specialized applications of the EMP-3 is petroleum gas measurement. To begin, simply connect the Tedlar bag pre-filled with natural gas sample to the EMP-3 using the dedicated gas inlet. With just a few steps, the EMP-3 is ready to analyze trace mercury in natural gas, quickly, safely, and without the need for complex sample preparation. In this specialized application, adjustment process is longer to ensure interferences are eliminated. After zero check, natural gas sample will be sent to the CVAS within EMP-3 for measurement. Whether it is occupational hygiene, personal exposure, environmental, process safety applications, or determining mercury in natural gas, experience the power of portable accuracy with the EMP-3. Your trusted portable mercury survey meter. Nippon Instruments Corporation. Science and knowledge today inspire innovations tomorrow.